Hey, what's up, guys? It is Greg Luther, and it is Saturday. I am just getting ready to go live here on Zoom, where we are going to be discussing what's going on in today's real estate market, specific to this whole coronavirus and the mass hysteria going on, grossly hyped at this point. But I'm just going through the PowerPoint presentation that I have, and I think you guys are going to find it very, very helpful. So I talked about this. This is kind of spur of the moment thing. There is no registration link or anything like that. I've just had literally hundreds, I'd say close to 1,000, but at least hundreds of agents that have been asking me, why do I have deals falling apart? And why are these people freaking out? And nobody wants to look at homes, and nobody wants anybody in their house right now. What's going on with the stock market? Consumer confidence is gone. And where are we going at this point? So I want to show you on today's presentation exactly what's going on for a real estate agent as a business owner, what you need to know. So what I'm doing is I just finished up this PowerPoint presentation. I've spent a lot of time working on this and just finished up this presentation where I'm going to be showing agents, here's what you need to do to grow your real estate business. So we are starting literally 10 minutes, 15 minutes from now, right at the top of the hour. This will be a live presentation on Zoom. So you'll see me in this shirt. I'll have a different angle because it's going to be on this computer rather than my phone. But we're going to cover exactly what you should be doing and where you need to go with your business. So that is coming up here in just a few minutes. And again, I'm kind of getting all my stuff together. This is a last minute thing. I promised everybody I would do a live to remind you about this because, again, it's a spur of the moment thing. There's no registration link or anything like that. I've just got literally thousands of agents wanting to know, number one, how can I grow my business? But number two, I might need to get into survival mode with what's going on in this economy right now. And you know, there's feast and famine. We kind of know look at the stock market. Look at what's going on out in the streets today. So anyway, I am starting this in a few minutes. If you guys can hear me and see me okay, if you can just comment here. What I want to do, I think I can leave a comment for you guys. This is my first time doing this, by the way. Click that and see if it works for you. So I just put that comment in. That is a direct link to the webinar that we're getting ready to start. Now, this is for those that are non-members with us. You're not an Inner Circle member. This is a training that's going to help you tremendously with how do I generate some business using free marketing to get my business going in the right direction. So when you open it up, it's going to say like waiting on the host to start or something like that. So you'll see over here that I will start it right at the top of the hour. That's going to be at 2 o'clock Eastern, which is 11 Pacific. So if you're on the Florida coast, that's 2 p.m. It's literally 13, 14 minutes from right now. If you're in California, it's 11 a.m., just a few minutes from right now. So I want to cover some of this stuff. I've got a lot of info I'm going to share with you here. I think you'll find it incredibly valuable just for how do I get some appointments literally this weekend. While there's still no bread and water in the grocery stores, are there really buyers that are looking? Are there sellers that are wanting to sell? Or is this changing what's going to happen for them over the next couple of months? Your survival depends on you doing the right thing. So again, I'm going to be doing this in just a few moments. You will want to have a camera phone with you. So my recommendation is you tune in from your computer if at all possible. If you're on my email list, I just sent an email about this. We will be going live in a few minutes here. But if you are on your phone, you can watch it from your phone. I just put it in the what do we call this? The comments, the chat section here. You should also see it in the description so that you can join us live. Now, I can already see people that are in the waiting room for this. This is going to be completely full. Zoom, if you get their top level program, only allows 1,000 attendees. That includes me. So 999 realtors. We are at 640 right now. So it is going to be full when we get to the top of the hour. If you get in there, you don't want to leave. Have your camera phone ready and have some note paper ready. Always got to have a little note paper ready and your camera phone because I'll be showing you some actual ads that are working today. And we'll start off the call discussing the obvious, you know, what's going on out in the world today in the streets of coronavirus. So I'm going to get started. Use the restroom real quick. I'm starting in 11 minutes here, I believe. So I'm going to get started here. This will be an extensive presentation because it's a full training. I don't know, if it's 90 minutes, it's going to be about 10 minutes of a sales pitch. and about 80 minutes of stuff you can use today to start growing your real estate business. So again, you should see it. I see we're getting a few comments here. Let me see if I can. Oh, I just messed the whole thing up here. Hopefully you guys can still see me. Let's see. Paste. See if that shows in the comments. There we go. That should come up now. That will be a link for you to join where we are starting right at the top of the hour. So I am by no means a medical professional. I have no idea. You know, I wash my hands because they said wash my hands, and everybody's buying toilet paper for some reason. I don't know what that's about. But anyway, let's talk about what's going to happen in the real estate market. We know what happened in 2008 when everything hit the fan, right? So you need to be prepared for this because you know this is worse than anything we've ever seen as far as consumer confidence. I don't think it's that big of a deal, but who am I to say, right? They are the ones that cast the vote here. So anyway, we are starting in just a few minutes. I'm going to grab my drink, run to the restroom, get my PowerPoint up and running on this here laptop that you see with a ring light so you can see who the heck I am and what's going on. And I think you're going to find this incredibly helpful for you today. We will be capped out at 1,000 agents. So if you can get in now, just leave it sit there. Leave a window up for yourself. Close everything else. Pay close attention to this. Let's get you closing some deals. So check out the link there again in the comments or up in the description. And we are starting at 2 o'clock Eastern, 11 Pacific, just a few minutes away. I'm going to see you on the call. Be ready to take some pictures of some of these ads. I'm showing you the best ad we have working right now. Last month, it accounted for 43 closings that I referred business out on. So who knows how many hundreds from the agents that are just using it on their own. I use it myself to refer business out. So I could generate leads in your area. Let me just give you the ad, and you can do it yourself and keep all the money. We'll be covering that on the call. I'll see you here in just a few minutes. And bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do. But you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos, and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below, and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.